Hey guys, this is Rick with Bluewater Photo, and today I'm excited to show you the brand new Nauticam Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 2 housing. And right off the bat, I'm really excited to go shoot underwater with this thing. It sounds a little bit silly to say, but right off the bat, you feel like you're shooting some serious video. The larger LCD screen that you have in the back, you really feel like you're shooting video and watching a movie play out before you as you're getting your footage. It's just a beautiful design. The wide shape feels really nice in my hands. Definitely great ergonomics to it, which you expect from all of the Nauticam housings. Looking at the outside of the housing to start, the first thing you notice is Nauticam's standard N85 port right here. So if you're familiar with their port charts and the compatible domes for that, N85 is going to be the series that you're looking at. Moving around to the top of the housing, you do have a cheese plate that can be used for external accessories. You've got the standard ball mounts on either of the handles, obviously. You'll notice this giant M28 port right here. That's going to be for future use with the HDMI 2 ports for external monitors like the Atomos Ninja 5. You can get the brand new HDMI 2 out of there. You also get an extra M16 cap next to that, and it's going to come with an M16 vacuum valve already installed when you purchase it. So kind of making it easier for you knowing that that's going to be a standard feature that you're looking for. On the bottom of the housing, you've also got 3 sets of screws that are going to be for your tripod ball mounting sets. Now what that's going to do is negate the need for a big heavy tripod mounting plate on the bottom of your housing, and you're going to be able to attach ball mounts directly to those 3 pins right there and get rid of some of the weight and extra bulk that it sometimes gets when you have those mounting plates there. So it's a really cool feature to have built in. Now, as we're getting inside the housing, the first things you're going to notice is that you do have the standard Nauticam latches on the side, which are great and super reliable. And as we get into looking at the front half of the housing, you'll notice at the top right here, there's a small slot. In this, you can rest an SSD recording device, which you can record from USB-C out of the camera to set right in there. Now that's one of the major features that Blackmagic shooters are looking for. So the fact that it fits inside the housing is extremely cool right there. The other really cool feature that you see in here that a lot of video shooters request is that you have an auxiliary battery compartment built into the bottom of the housing. Now this takes 4 18650 batteries and plugs directly into your camera. And when you add up the record time that you get with those 4 batteries plus the included LPE6 battery in the Blackmagic camera, you get over 3 hours of record time. It's rated to record for about 3 hours and 20 minutes right now when you have the 4 18650s plus the EP6 inside of the camera. So there you have it. Here's our first look at the Nauticam Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 2 housing. And that's enough talking for now. I'm going to go get this thing wet.